I'm Paul Rogers, and welcome to a 90-second fast idea. How can we best use reason as a method of persuasion during a negotiation? Let's use as an example a supplier asking for a 5% price increase, which is supported by facts and data. Of course. What if we could rate the strength of our arguments? Level 1 reasoning involves challenging the other party's motivation rather than the content of their argument. If only you were as concerned about your performance as you are about your margin. That's weak. Level 2 involves contradicting the other party's argument with your own facts. Here's a letter from our CFO explaining why we need to be cost neutral this financial year. We simply can't afford an increase. Level 3 is to undermine their central argument with a counter-argument. Energy costs may well have risen by 8%, but energy is only 3% of your total cost. And what about the 2% productivity improvement that your chairman announced? Our counter-arguments undermine their central argument. Always start with your strongest argument. Don't use all your arguments at once. The other party will focus on your weakest argument.